family members, mother, mom, father, dad, parent, children, son, daughter, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, grandparent, grandson, granddaughter, grandchild, aunt or aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, cousin, husband, wife, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, partner, fiancé or fiancé, stepmother, stepfather, ex, personality type, abusive, active, adventurous, affectionate, aggressive, ambitious, annoying, anxious, artistic, bossy, brave, calm, cautious, charming, cheerful, compulsive, confident, conservative, courageous, cowardly, creative, cruel, cynical, decisive, determined, direct or direct, domineering, easygoing, emotional, enthusiastic, extroverted, fearful, frank, friendly, funny, generous, gentle, greedy, gregarious, gullible, happy, honest, imaginative, impatient, impulsive, independent, intelligent, introverted, lazy, loyal, mean, modest, moody, nervous, nice, obsessive, optimistic, outgoing, patient, persistent. Words for emotions: acceptance, admiration, affection, aggravation, anger, anguish, anxiety, attraction, boredom, caution, certainty, compassion, confidence, confusion, contentment, courage, curiosity, defeat, defiance, delight, dependence, depression, desire, disappointment, dislike, dismay, distress, embarrassment, embarrassment, enthusiasm, envy, excitement, fear, frustration, fury, generosity, greed, grief, guilt, hate, hatred, hope, horror, hostility, impatience, jealousy, joy, kindness, loneliness, longing, love, lust, malice, misery, optimism, panic, patience, pessimism, pity, pleasure, pride, rage, relief, sadness, satisfaction, scorn, shame, sorrow, sympathy, terror, unhappiness, wonder, wrath. Jobs and professions: accountant, actor, actress, air traffic controller, architect, artist, attorney, banker, bartender, barber, bookkeeper, builder, businessman, businesswoman, businessperson, butcher, carpenter, cashier, chef, coach, dental hygienist, dentist, designer, developer, dietitian, doctor, economist, editor, electrician, engineer, farmer, filmmaker, fisherman, flight attendant, jeweler, judge, lawyer, mechanic, musician, nutritionist, nurse, optician, painter, pharmacist, photographer, physician, physician's assistant, pilot, plumber, police officer, politician, professor, programmer, psychologist, receptionist, salesman, salesperson, saleswoman, secretary, singer. Employment, apply, application, benefit, bonus, career, cover letter, employee, employer, fire, full-time, interview, job, layoff, manager, minimum wage, part-time, promotion, raise, reference, salary, sick leave, training, vacation, commute, flex time.